guys, in this video I'm going to show you this super moisturizing milk and honey hair conditioner. All you need is some ceatryl alcohol mixed with emulsifying wax, some honey, some olive oil, some coconut milk, castor oil, hydrolyzed silk, and some distilled water. You will need a preservative for this. The preservative I use is liquid Germall plus, and I added some essential oils as well. So yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm going to combine all my oils into one container. So as you can see, I'm pouring the castor oil into this bowl here. Make sure everything is clean and disinfected. I usually use rubbing alcohol mixed with water to disinfect all my containers before I make these things, because it's very easy to get bacteria in there. So ceatryl alcohol, emulsifying wax, olive oil, and castor oil all go in one bowl, and in the other bowl will be the coconut milk, to which I'm going to add my distilled water, and then I'm going to add my honey. You're better off putting the honey straight into the mixture whilst measuring it. All the measurements will be in the description box, by the way. This is a very moisture-rich conditioner if you have dry hair like I do. And then I'm going to add my hydrolyzed silk in here. So I'm going to mix these together. It won't be completely perfectly mixed because the coconut milk is cold, so it's a little bit chunky, but you know, I'll just mix it to the best of my ability. It will mix better once it's warmed up anyway, so you don't need to worry too much about mixing it properly. Okay, so once that's done, we're going to prepare a water bath and then move both containers into the water bath. You can do this in the microwave, but I like to do the dissolving very slowly so that I can preserve the nutrients in every ingredient that I'm using. I don't know if you guys have ever tried coconut milk on your hair, but it works amazing for moisture. So this conditioner is super moisturizing. So I'm going to add the oil to the coconut milk mixture at this point because they're both completely melted and at the same temperature, and then I'm going to stick blend it together. Make sure you use gloves when you're transferring things and moving hot things around. So now I'm going to get it out of the water bath now that it's properly combined. Then I'm going to stick blend it again. It smells very milk and honey like, actually, even though I decided to add essential oils. Yeah, it smells lovely without it anyways. So yeah, I left it alone for I think about 10-15 minutes, and then I came back and I stick blended it again. As you can it's still fairly warm. I left it alone for about an hour in total before adding my preservatives. At that point, it was a little bit cooler to touch. It wasn't completely cooled, but it was cool enough for me to add my preservatives. So just make sure, if you're not sure about the temperature, just make sure it's cool, like cool to touch. If it's cool to touch, then it's okay for you to add your preservatives. So for the preservative, I used liquid Germall plus. I used 0.5% of this. The measurements will be in the description box below. I then stick blended it just to make sure that it's evenly distributed through the product. I then added my rosemary essential oil and my lavender essential oil to the mixture, and then stick blended that together as well. Subscribe to my channel, make sure you subscribe, because all these recipes that I share with you are free. You won't really find them anywhere else, so make sure you subscribe and share my videos as well. I'm sure there's other people that will find them helpful, and give this video a thumbs up as well. It really helps me out a lot. So at this point my conditioner is almost nearly cool. I like to pour it whilst it's still watery so that it's easy to get it into the containers, and then I leave it open to allow it to cool completely. I'm going to cover the bottle just for the purposes of this video, but I will leave it open overnight to allow it to cool completely. At this point the mixture was completely cold. It was super thick, super creamy, super moisturizing. Try it out and let me know how you go. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell as well so you don't miss any uploads from me. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at LusciousSkin&Hair. I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.